Jeep key fobs are designed for user-friendly battery replacement. The first step is removing the metal key insert. Locate the small button or lever on the side of your key fob, typically marked with a key icon. Press or slide this button to release the key insert. Pull out the key insert like a standard keychain. This insert allows manual access to your vehicle in case of a dead battery. Keep the key insert in a safe spot for reassembly later. With the key insert removed, you can now pry open the key fob case. Use a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool available at auto parts stores to gently separate the two halves of the fob. Insert the tool into the seam between the two halves and twist carefully to avoid cracking the plastic. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation with positive side up. Use your finger or a small tool to pop out the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the correct orientation to prevent short circuits. Align the two halves of the case and snap them firmly back together. Finally, reinsert the metal key insert. Now test the key fob to ensure it's working properly.